How's it going, everybody? Welcome back here. Well, recently there are many users are saying their story is not deleting from their Instagram story, and it keeps showing them the same story over and over again. Now, if you uploaded a story and you just try to delete it, but for some reason if you can't delete it, don't worry. Let me show you how to solve the problem and how you can delete your story from your Instagram applications. Now, in order to just do any perform or take any action on our Instagram, it requires proper internet. So if you don't have it on a device, this issue can appear on our Instagram. So the first thing that you want to do, guys, you have to just scroll down from the top here. Make sure that you are just enabling that airplane mode for about 10 seconds. After that, just go ahead and turn it off. Or if you still have the same problem with your internet, the next thing that you got to do, just go ahead and enable your mobile data if you're on the Wi-Fi, or if you are on the mobile data, then you can just turn on your Wi-Fi network on your device. Now, before you do anything here, just simply open up your browser and just to check whether your internet is working well or not. So here, as guys can see, our internet is working completely fine here. Then just go ahead and open up your Instagram application, and right after that, just go ahead and tap on the story, and now just tap on three dot and just go ahead and tap on delete. Now let's say you did all the process, but it's still, when you just try to tap on delete here, it's still not working for your Instagram application. Now for that reason, the next step that you all want to follow is you want to open up your browser and simply type Instagram.com. Now you gotta log in with your Instagram account, open this up here, open up your story, and now you have to delete it from here. Now if you weren't able to delete that, that could be the problem with the software with the application. Now if you open up your browser, this will let you delete your post directly from your story without even giving you any problem. Alright guys, so this is how you guys can solve the problem, and this is how you guys can delete your Instagram story if it doesn't delete on your device. Hope you find this video useful. If you think so, drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you all later. Peace out.